Hello and welcome to another daily Japanese booster pack opening. It's day 6 of Explosive Flamewalker, and hope you guys had an awesome Monday. Hope you guys' Tuesday is going to be even better and great. Slowly chipping away at your daily work week. Hope life is good and all that jazz. Boom. Let's see what we get today. We've been getting a lot of good hits lately. So, alright. Galarian Mr. Mime. Get that. Just icy. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Rookity! There it is. In the tree, showing off his wings. Or her wings. Oh! Special guest is here. There she goes. Carablast. Winking at the sunlight is too bright, too early. And oh my goodness, did we get another hit today? That's crazy. She's walking. She likes to make sure, I've got all my papers, I've got my permit. I'm allowed to be here. She likes to make sure. The uncommon is a Diggersby. One of the weirder designed Pokemon in my opinion. It's like its ears are like fists. I guess. I mean, all Pokemon are fake. Why not? All right. Let's see what our rare is today. Dun, 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 triple rare. Oh, I'm pretty sure I know what this one is. Oop, because it's psychic. It looks psychic. It's kind of pink. Gardevoir VMAX. Oh my goodness, perfect to go with our Gardevoir V. Oh man, look at that card. That's sick. It's amazing. I don't know if I want to put it in a sleeve so that I can put it in the box or in the binder, or if I want to set it up for. I'll just put it in the sleeve, throw it in the binder. Then we'll look up how much it is. If it's over like $5 or something, then yeah, it's totally not staying in the binder, and it'll deserve. Oh, did I just? I think I might have nicked it just now. No. Okay, you can't see it. Oh, no, right there. See, it's a little nick. I don't think that was there earlier. Oh, yes, ma'am. Nope. Oh, yeah, that's right. You checked me. Get that. I have the hardest time telling if Japanese cards are off center in the back. Looks like it might be a little. Alright, let's put these guys in the folder. Okay. Put them in order first. 3, 18. 18 goes here. Grab the binder. Scoot this guy back a little. Right. Carablast number 3. Right at the top. Galarian Mr. Mimes 18. I think somewhere on this side. Wishiwashi's number 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19. Oh, it's on this side. One hand. Alright, right. 16, 17, 18. Perfect. Then Diggersby number 44. Get that Tyranitar. 42, 43, 44. Going into the binder. Finally, Rickety, which is number 60. Oh, oh. You're okay. You're okay. My bad. Number 60. That has got to be a better way to set this up. Alright. You would think. Oh, it does. Falls right in line with Corviknight. Boom, boom. And the Gardevoir VMAX belongs next to the Gardevoir V. Right there. It's beautiful. Right, well, you're just gonna have to trust that I put it back into the folder right after I check the price, just to see if we wanna, right there, if we wanna keep it in the binder or if we want to put it in a card saver. But overall, a pretty cool, come on, pretty cool card, even though it's not focusing. You've seen it. Alright, pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys tomorrow.